Imagine a world long before humans. Over 230 million years ago, the very first dinosaurs appeared on Earth. These were not the giants we often picture. They were small, about the size of dogs. They ran on two legs, their long tails helping them balance. Where did they come from? How did they evolve? It's a mystery that continues to fascinate scientists today. The first dinosaurs emerged during the Triassic Period. Earth looked very different then. All the continents were joined together in one supercontinent called Pangaea. The climate was hot and dry, much of the land covered in vast deserts. These early dinosaurs found themselves sharing this world with other reptiles, some of which would become their prey. These first dinosaurs, though small, were quick and agile. They were perfectly adapted to hunting down insects and smaller reptiles. Over millions of years, they would evolve. They would grow larger. They would diversify. They would become the rulers of the planet. Their reign, the Mesozoic era, would be a time of incredible change and diversity, a time we call the Age of Dinosaurs. As the Triassic period progressed, dinosaurs began to grow larger. Among them were the Brachiosaurus, a long-necked herbivore that could reach lengths of over 30 feet. These gentle giants roamed the plains of Pangaea, feeding on ferns and conifers.
But not all dinosaurs were content with a vegetarian lifestyle. Coelophysis, a small, agile carnivore, hunted down smaller reptiles. They were swift and deadly, their sharp teeth and claws making them formidable predators.
The Triassic also saw the emergence of the first armored dinosaurs. Scutellosaurus, a small herbivore, possessed bony plates and spines along its back for protection against predators. This marked the beginning of a lineage that would produce some of the most heavily armored animals ever to walk the Earth.
The Triassic period ended with a mass extinction event, wiping out many species, including some early dinosaurs. However, from this extinction arose an opportunity. The surviving dinosaurs were able to take advantage of the newly vacated ecological niches. They would diversify and evolve, giving rise to the incredible diversity of the Jurassic period.
The Jurassic period was a time of giants. The continents continued to drift apart, creating shallow seas that teemed with life. Lush forests and vast plains covered the land, providing ample food for the growing dinosaur population.
Among the most iconic dinosaurs of this era was Brachiosaurus. This long-necked giant could reach heights of over 40 feet, making it one of the largest animals ever to walk the Earth. Its long neck allowed it to reach high into the trees to feed on leaves that other herbivores couldn't reach.
Another famous Jurassic giant was Stegosaurus. This plated dinosaur was an impressive sight, with its massive plates running along its back and its spiked tail providing a formidable defense against predators. Despite its size and armor, Stegosaurus was a herbivore, content to graze on low-lying plants.
The Jurassic period also saw the emergence of the first birds descended from small feathered dinosaurs. Archaeopteryx, with its blend of reptilian and avian features, provides a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of flight.
The Cretaceous period marked the peak of dinosaur diversity. The continents continued to drift apart, creating a greater variety of habitats. Dinosaurs adapted to these environments, evolving into a bewildering array of shapes and sizes.
Tyrannosaurus rex, the king tyrant lizard, ruled the late Cretaceous. This fearsome predator with its massive jaws and teeth was the apex predator of its time. Its powerful legs allowed it to chase down prey, while its keen eyesight helped it to spot potential meals from afar.
Triceratops, with its 3 horns and bony frill, was a contemporary of Tyrannosaurus. This large herbivore likely used its horns and frill for defense against predators like Tyrannosaurus. Fossil evidence suggests that these two titans clashed on more than one occasion.
The Cretaceous period also saw the rise of the hadrosaurs, or duck-billed dinosaurs. These herbivores possessed unique crests on their heads, which they may have used for display or communication.
Section 5. The Mighty Meat-Eaters.
The meat-eating dinosaurs, or theropods, were a diverse group. Some, like the Compsognathus, were small and agile, no bigger than a chicken. Others, like Spinosaurus, rivaled Tyrannosaurus rex in size.
Spinosaurus is unique for its enormous sail-like structure on its back. Scientists believe it may have helped regulate its body temperature, or been used for display. Spinosaurus is also thought to have been a skilled swimmer, hunting fish and other aquatic animals in the rivers and swamps of its time.
Another fascinating theropod was Velociraptor. Made famous by the Jurassic Park movies, this dinosaur was actually much smaller than depicted in the films. However, it was still a swift and deadly predator, using its intelligence and sharp claws to bring down prey.
These fearsome predators played a vital role in the ecosystem, keeping populations of herbivores in check. Their remains provide us with invaluable clues about their behavior, hunting strategies, and the challenges of survival in the Mesozoic era. Section 8. Swimming with giants, marine reptiles of the deep. While dinosaurs and pterosaurs dominated the land and skies, the oceans of the Mesozoic era teemed with a diverse array of marine reptiles. These were not dinosaurs, but they shared the planet with them, creating a rich and interconnected ecosystem.
Ichthyosaurs, with their streamlined bodies and powerful tails, resembled dolphins. These reptiles were perfectly adapted to life in the water, giving birth to live young and breathing air like whales and dolphins do today.
Plesiosaurs, with their long necks and paddle-like limbs, were another group of successful marine reptiles. Some plesiosaurs had long, snake-like necks, while others possessed shorter necks and massive jaws.
And the oceans were home to more than just reptiles, right?
Absolutely. The oceans of the Mesozoic were also home to giant sea turtles, enormous fish, and squid-like creatures called ammonites. These creatures, along with the marine reptiles, formed a complex food web, with each species playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Section 9. The Great Extinction. The reign of the dinosaurs came to a dramatic end around 66 million years ago. A massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, struck the Earth with a force unimaginable.
This catastrophic event caused widespread fires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter effect, blocking sunlight and disrupting the climate.
The impact led to the extinction of about 75% of Earth's species, including all non-avian dinosaurs. It marked the end of the Mesozoic era and the beginning of a new chapter in Earth's history.
But from this great extinction, new life forms emerged, paving the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans.
Indeed, the end of the dinosaurs was not the end of life on Earth, but rather a turning point in the ever-evolving story of our planet.